UMnyango wezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal uthi imigwaqo eminingi esifundazweni iqashwe ngeso lokhozi kulandela imibiko yokukhithika ezindaweni eziseduze nezintaba zokhahlamba eDrakensberg.
We've got graders that are on standby to ensure that they remove the snow before it accumulates to more than 30 centimeters. You will recall that in 2024, for the very first time here in KwaZulu-Natal, we experienced that snow.
Ikhona-ke nemizamo eyenziwe ukunciphisa ukuguguleka kwemigwaqo kanye namakhaya.
We've got culverts that are being installed as well as a gabion to prevent soil erosion and to ensure that water is not pulling roads which results in flooding.
Kusenjalo isifundazwe Eastern Cape City amathimba ezenhlekelele ami ngumumo ukutakula labo abangazithola besenkingeni ngenxa yesimo sezulu.
So we are better prepared than last year because as soon as we saw the warning from the South African Weather Services, we ensured that all systems are in place and sensitizing everyone that is supposed to be involved.
Izangoma zezulu zikhiphe isexwayiso esiwolintshi esesigabeni sesithupha KwaZulu-Natal nesihambisana nezimvula ezinamandla kanye nezikhukhula. Kanti-ke ziphinde zakhipha isexwayiso esiwolintshi esesigabeni sesihlanu e-Eastern Cape nesihambisana nokukhithika.